Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to get a secured credit card in 2025. If you're struggling with bad credit or just starting out, a secured credit card can be a game changer. It's basically a credit card backed by a deposit you provide, which makes it easier to get approved and helps you build a positive credit history. In 2025, with new financial regulations emphasizing consumer protection, these cards are more accessible than ever, offering features like lower fees and potential rewards. First things first, why should you get one? A secured credit card not only helps establish credit but can also lead to better loan rates and financial opportunities down the line. Plus, responsible use can graduate you to an unsecured card over time. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Assess your credit situation. Start by checking your credit score for free on reliable sites like annualcreditreport.com. This gives you a clear picture of where you stand. Step 2. Research your options. Compare secured cards from issuers like Capital One or Discover. Look for ones with low annual fees, competitive interest rates, and reporting to major credit bureaus. Step 3. Gather your documents. You'll need a valid ID, proof of income, and enough funds for your security deposit, which often becomes your credit limit. Step 4. Apply for the card. Most applications are simple and can be done online. Be honest with your information to avoid delays. Step 5. Make your deposit. Once approved, fund your account with the required amount, and you'll receive your card shortly. Now, the key to success: use your secured card responsibly. Pay your balance in full and on time every month, keep your utilization low, and monitor your credit report regularly. After 6 to 12 months of good behavior, you might qualify to upgrade to an unsecured version. Remember, building credit takes time, but it's totally worth it. If you're ready to take control of your finances, start applying today. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tips on money management. See you in the next video.